In this video I show you how to withdraw money from Z-League. For this you need to follow these steps. I am in the Z-League FAQ page. Here you can find the question, how do I cash out my balance? They provide the process. Initiating a cash out. Step number 1. From the profile menu, click on account settings. Step number 2. At the top of the page under your account balance, tap the cash out button. Identity verification. Any cash out will require you to verify the name associated with your account with a valid government issued ID through Persona or third party ID verification partner. Fees. There are two fees associated with cash outs, a processing fees and a PayPal fees. The PayPal fee is initiated by PayPal and varies based on the cash out amount and your location. The processing fee is $2. I hope the process will clear to you. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.